This video is brought to you by teacherjobfairs.org.
Greetings, fellow educators and recruiters. The demo below will provide you with step-by-step instructions on how to navigate our virtual teacher job fairs and how to navigate or host your own job fairs. Please use the following technical data for the best experience with our virtual job fair software. For your browser, use an updated Google, Safari, or Edge internet browser. Your computer must be a Windows or Mac, and there are no downloads. All of our software is hosted on our site. You do not need to download any software. Make sure you have a computer and a laptop only. At this time, please do not use a cell phone or a tablet since that's not supported with the website. For video and audio, you must have a flash player installed into your browser, so allow your browser to access your camera and microphone. The system will ask you for permission to access your camera and audio. For exhibitor registration, all exhibitors must have an online account at teacherjobfairs.org before joining the live event. Create your employer account at teacherjobfairs.org. Please check with your team to ensure that an exhibitor package was purchased and paid for. Your employer profile will be shown to job seekers. Your job postings, if your exhibitor package includes job postings, make sure you post them so the job seekers will see them during the job fair and will be able to apply during the job fair for those postings. You will only be able to see resumes during the job fair if your package includes resume views. This is the most asked question by recruiters the day of the job fair. Recruiters want to view resumes before chatting with job seekers, and at this point they find out that there are no resumes to view. If you have no resume views, you will need to chat with the job seeker and ask them to attach the resume to the chat. Standard Virtual has no resume views. Silver and Platinum exhibitor packages have resume views included. If you want to add resume views, call us to upgrade your exhibitor package. Register the rest of your team, which means each recruiter must have their own account. For Silver and Platinum exhibitor packages, you must have more than one recruiter that can attend the job fair. Each recruiter must create their own employer account. It is your responsibility to send the email addresses of the recruiters to our team so that we can give them access to the job fair. You must do this 24 hours before the event. So for step 1, you're going to want to join the job fair. First, you'll need to sign in. Go to www.teacherjobfairs.org and click Sign In. You can only enter the job fair on the date and time of the job fair. Step 2 is to enter the job fair. You will see the Enter Job Fair box. Click here to enter the job fair. Please note, check the time and the date of the fair. If you don't see this box, please call us. This means someone in your team did not give us access or your email addresses to add you to the event. Now for logging out. If at any time you need to step away from the job fair, simply log out of your account and a notification will be visible to all job seekers. Job seekers will still be able to send you chat messages though. You will see them when you log back in. Please note that you may miss out on some job seekers. So here is the overview of the job fair lobby. First, welcome to the job fair. You have just entered our job fair, and here you can see are the main sponsors of the event. Job seekers will be able to see the sponsored jobs and profiles on the lobby page. Sponsors are first to chat with job seekers. This is a VIP service provided as part of their sponsorship package. You will click here to enter the private one-to-one chat section. Here is our public chat. Under sponsors, you will find the public chat section. This section is viewed by all job seekers and all employers, and it is monitored by our tech team. So how do we use this public chat? Well, you use it to announce you are online and introduce yourself. Use it to announce how many jobs you have and how many jobs are open. Make sure you advertise your job openings. Invite job seekers to visit your private booth and do private chats with you. Please note, any misuse of public chat will terminate your participation. Type your message here and click here. Everyone sees all posts you type on this section. So under our private chat, you want to click here to view all job seekers and start a private chat. Here you will see all job seekers online and the following. The first are resumes, the second are messages of job seekers visiting your booth, and the third, one-to-one chat options. You are now in the private chat section. Go back to the lobby at any time by clicking here. Here you will see all job seekers currently online at the job fair. Job seekers enter the job fair at different times, so this list rotates. This green color dot means the person is currently online and or available. You may chat with them now. This gray color means the person is registered for the job fair but is currently offline or in a chat with other employers, and they are not available now. But you can still send this person a chat. Click chat and send them a message. When the person replies, it will show on the last message section. So for viewing resumes, click View to view the job seeker's resume. Not all job seekers upload their resume. If your exhibitor package includes resume views, click here to view the resume. If you see a blank screen, it means that the job seeker did not upload a resume. If the job seeker uploads a resume, you will see the complete resume and job seeker contact information. Please note, you can only see resumes if your Exhibitor package has resume views included. Now, to view notifications. You can see here you got a chat notification. This envelope here next to log out means a job seeker sent you a chat notification. You will also see the envelope with a green dot next to the name of the job seeker. The envelope notification means you have a message and you may click on it to go to the private chat with the job seeker. You may have up to 5 chat rooms open at the same time. You can chat with 5 people. Each person will have a private chat. When you are done with a person, close that chat room and open another. So in the last message section, on this section you will see the last message from the job seeker. We include the last message and the time. Every time the job seeker updates a message, you will see it here, and the timestamp will be updated. This is your private chat with one job seeker. Here you can attach a document by simply clicking here and attaching any document for the job seeker, like a job application for example. Here is the phone call button. Invite the job seeker first. You need to click on this button. The job seeker must accept the audio on their computer. Here is the video button. Click on the camera and start the video interview. Invite the job seeker first so that he or she can accept in and allow video or voice on their computer. Please note, only employers can start videos and phone calls. Not all job seekers have video and audio on their computers, so please ask them first and invite them. Here is the timer. Your chat is timed for 9 minutes. Once the timer ends, your chat will end. You can always go ahead and chat again. Go back to the main page, click on the person's chat button, and you can continue to chat. Your messages are saved, and you may continue where you left off. Once you invite the job seeker to video interview, both you and the job seeker will see a similar notification. Click Allow to enable video and audio on your computer. To do that, click Allow. You will then see the video with the job seeker. Some most common made mistakes by exhibitors and recruiters are: not all job seekers are dressed for interviews or are in locations that will give them privacy for a video or a phone call. Another is not all job seekers have computers or video audio. And another are that some job seekers do not feel comfortable with immediately starting a video or a phone interview. They may want to know more about the position before formally interviewing. Our advice is that you enter the chat, introduce yourself and your school. Once the job seeker shows interest in applying or learning more, ask them if they want to have a video or phone call. To end a chat, click End Chat to end the chat at any time. Thank you for partnering with us to host your own virtual job fairs or participating in our virtual teacher job fairs. For technical support anytime before, during, and after the event, our technical team is always happy to assist you at any time by calling 718-902-5926, or you can always email jsosa@teacherjobfairs.org. Thank you.
This video is brought to you by teacherjobfairs.org.